हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल किड्स लर्निंग क्लासरूम स्टाइल। मैं शिखा, आप सबको मेरा जय श्री श्याम। होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड and at today's topic is map and globe. So in this video we will understand what are map, what are globe, and the difference between both of them. This particular topic is something that is good to know and also a part of your social science subject. So let's get started. So firstly, map and globe help us to study the earth and its different features. So what is the use of map and globe? They help us to study the earth and its different features. Then what is a map? So basically map is a representation or a drawing of the earth on a flat surface. If you would have noticed that generally on a piece of paper or a poster we draw a map. We have a picture of map on which we do various markings of, if I talk about India, we do marking of India's neighboring countries, the different states India have, and the states that are there in north, south, east, west, and there are many other things that we do in maps. These maps are also even used to for political. There are political maps, there are physical map, and there are thematic maps that are available and that we study depending on the need of the class. So therefore, what a map is a drawing, a representation of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Various features like mountains, rivers, roads, cities, countries, etc. can be shown on a map. So these are the various features like mountains, rivers, roads, and all these features on a map are shown by a different color, and they have a specific symbols to it. And I have already made a separate video on maps wherein I have explained the various colors that is there on the map and what does those mean with the symbols that are frequently used while we study a map. In case you have still not watched that video, do watch the video. It's there on my YouTube channel. So map can be easily folded and carried. The students who would be currently in grade 3, for them they would know, they would know this, that when this is part of their syllabus, they do carry an A4 size sheet wherein the outline of the map is there, and that is used in their class work or the class projects. A map can be big or small. Big map can be hung on the wall and called wall maps. And these small wall maps, dear students, where would you see? In any big stationery shops also you can find, or even if you have a geography labs in your school, there also we can see these wall maps hanging. The top of a map shows the north, its bottom shows the south, the right shows the east, and the left shows the west. So here I have a picture of a world map. This is a picture of a world map here. So in this world map, the top will always be north, south, and then this will be west, and the right hand side will be the east one. So in this world map, if you will see here, we have India, and the blue color that we are seeing here, these are all water, because I have already covered in one of my videos that earth has 71% of water and 29% of land. Therefore everywhere you will see that there is a blue symbol that is there, that is known as, that is for water. And this I have taken a picture of a world map today because I have already shown physical map and political map on my video that is relating to maps. You can visit on my channel. Then a book containing map is called an atlas. It contains lot of information, and this is a question which is asked almost everywhere, that a book, what is a book containing map called? So it calls an atlas. So in an atlas you have variety of map, you have world map, you have Indian map, and then different countries map is also in the atlas. If whenever you visit your school library, you can check out the atlas book there, and you will enjoy reading it once you have seen my videos on how the symbols and the colors that are used in the map to understand what place it is signifying. So there's basically three types of maps: physical map, political map, and thematic map. What does a physical map mean? A physical map shows physical feature of a place like mountain, rivers, and desert. And political map, it shows political boundaries, so countries, states, and cities. And thematic map is made on a particular theme that can be on a rainfall, crops, climate, and etc. Then now we'll understand what is a globe. So basically globe is a model. Globe is the earth's model. It's not something that is done on a flat surface. It is a model of the earth. A globe is used to study the different places on the earth. It is round and slightly tilted just like the earth. So here I have a picture of a globe. So what do we see here? The first thing, it is round. Yes, it is tilted. As we also know that the earth is tilted. Similarly, the globe is also tilted, and it is a 3D model of the earth. So if we have to see different places, what we have to do, we have to move this globe round, and then we will be able to see different pictures on this globe. So here also, if you will see, this is a bigger picture of the globe, and here we can see a part of the world, and then here also we have some. So whichever part we want to see, we have to move the globe. But the same thing is not with the map, since map is on a flat surface, so the details is pretty much on in front of us in a book or a paper. Then on a globe, we cannot see all the places. So as I told, that in a globe we cannot see all places at the same time. Therefore we have to rotate it to see all the places of the earth. It is also difficult to carry it. Since this being the globe, we cannot always carry the globe with us. It is always, it is also heavy to carry. So therefore it is difficult to carry. There are two types of globe. One is terrestrial globes and the other is celestial globes. There are two types of globes. Now we'll quickly see what are those two types of mean. So terrestrial globe shows us the model of the earth's surface, and celestial globe models the night sky. So terrestrial is model of the earth's surface, and this is model the night sky. Now we'll quickly see the difference between map and globe, because this is a very important and a commonly asked questions in exams. So a map is a two-dimensional form of earth because it is on a piece of paper. It's on a flat surface, to be more specific, and globe is a three-dimensional model of the earth. A map can show themes such as soil, rainfall, mineral, transport, etc. And this type of map is called thematic map. A globe shows boundaries of countries, continents, and oceans. A map is very easy to carry. A globe is not easy to carry. A map is relatively less accurate, but it is easy to be handled. A globe is more accurate, but it is difficult to use it. A map shows a small or a large area. A globe is a true model of the earth. A map cannot be turned to explain rotations. A globe can be turned to show the rotations. So the rotations here means is we know that since the earth move in its own axis, so when the earth is moving in its own axis, there are two things that happen. One is rotation, one is revolution. So these rotations, what do? These rotations causes day and night. So these things are relatively easy to explain when we explain it using a globe, but the same thing cannot be explained while we are referring, or while we are explaining it with the help of a map. So here we have come to an end of this particular topic. Do like, share the video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel if you have still not done it. We'll meet very soon with another learning video. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye and take care.